counting from 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We do 4 times. Okay, 1 straight, 1 plie, 1 straight, 1 plie. Okay, from back same. 1 straight 2, 3 plie 4, 5 straight 6, 7 plie 8. I need you to work on the face. Okay, to the side. 1 face 2 straight, 3 plie 4, 5 straight 6, 7 plie 8. We do passive rhythm. 1 hold 2, 3 and 4, and then we do 2 fast. Okay. Plie on 5 up 6, 7 up 8. Okay? Find your center. Arm up. Release bar. 1. Squeeze. 2. Plie. Again. From. Squeeze. And plie. Chin like back. 1. Face. 2. Plie. 1. Squeeze. And plie. Chin like side. Wait a plie. Good. Squeeze in deep. Wait a plie. Passive focus. Waiting for 5.